Resistance, friend or foe? Well, I like to think that resistance is my friend. Resistance has a very specific function in our life. Well, on the outside, it just looks like we're avoiding things because we resist a new idea. But if you look a little closer, resistance gives us an opportunity. It allows us to check on two things. One is this fear-based resistance? Or is this resistance because the thing we're being presented with is not quite in alignment with where we want to go? So make resistance your friend by just allowing it to create some space for you to identify whether your reaction is fear-based or aligned-based.